Hey everyone, resetting all audio settings on Windows back to their defaults helps solve audio-related problems. In this video, we'll show you how to reset all audio settings on Windows with just a few steps. Let's get started. Resetting all audio settings is pretty simple. Here's how. The first step is to open Sound Settings. You either search Sound Settings at the search bar, or you can simply right-click on the sound icon located at the lower right corner of the screen. Scroll down and locate the volume mixer option. Scroll down and you'll see the Reset tab. Click on it. This option resets all sound devices and volume levels for every app on your Windows 11 PC to its original factory settings. You can also reset your audio drivers. Here's how. Type Device Manager at the search bar and click on Device Manager result. Expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section. Right-click on your audio driver and select Uninstall Device. Follow the on-screen instructions to uninstall. Next, restart your computer, and Windows will automatically reinstall the default audio driver once the computer reboots. Lastly, you can restart audio services. Open the Services app by typing Services at the search bar and click on Services result. Scroll down from the list of services to locate Windows Audio. Right-click on Windows Audio and select Stop. Right-click again and select Restart from the drop-down menu. Do this for other services such as Windows Audio, Endpoint Builder, and Remote Procedure Call (RPC). And that's it. With these simple steps, you can now reset all audio settings on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching.